Imagine effortlessly building the positive habits you've always wanted, all within a single, powerful tool. Let's create your ultimate habit tracker in Notion, a system designed to boost your consistency and skyrocket your success. Start by creating a new page for your habit tracker. Give it a clear title like Habit Tracker. Next, we need a database to house all your habits. Click the plus icon and select Table to add a database to your page. Rename the first column from Name to Habit. This is where you'll list each behavior you want to track. Now, let's add your first tracking property. Click the plus symbol to the right of the habit column and choose Checkbox. Rename this new checkbox column to Today. This will be your daily check-in spot. Populate the habit column with the specific habits you want to build. Think about your goals and what positive actions will get you there. Each day, simply check the box next to the habits you've completed. It's that simple. To add more detail, let's create a frequency property. Click the plus again and select. In the frequency property, add options like daily, weekly, or monthly to categorize your habits. For habits with a specific deadline or start date, add a date property. Your habit tracker is taking shape with columns for your habit, daily completion, frequency, and start date. You can even add headings or different layouts to organize your tracker visually. By consistently checking off your habits, you're not just tracking them. You're reinforcing them and building powerful, lasting change. Start building your best self, one checked box at a time, with your personalized Notion habit tracker.